Up here, lake trout fishing. Another beautiful day. Got a little fog, overcast fog. Hey everybody, just figured I'd show you some of the cool features up here on one of the lakes. A little bit of icicles overflow. I don't know if there's another lake up there or what, but it looks really cool. I'll get a couple photos here in a minute. So I figured I'd see where the waterfall is coming from and hiking up to the top. It's kind of a hard climb. I figured, what the heck, I got a little ways further to go. Actually a lot further to go. You can see above me here, and then got stuff over that way. I'm gonna see if I can't get up over there in the corner. Otherwise I gotta go up here over that way. So yeah, hopefully I don't fall. Should be alright. Just gotta go slow as well. I'm up above here. I went all the way up to the top of that ridge, but there's nothing there. It's kind of a slough draw. Comes all the way down through here, and then down to where all the ice is, down there. The lake's over that way. And I just got down off the ice cliff, and Jeff caught one. It's a nice one.
Not too shabby.
Looks like not bad. Fish in the next spot.
That's what I wanted to find out, was whether it's fucking a lot deeper or...
Just a nice day to be up here.